Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here with entry number 41. This entry comes from Miss Debra with Debra's Chillin bags. We were a little concerned about it, but we got it, and it finally arrived, and so look at this cute bag she put it in. It's got little pumpkins all over it. I'm going to turn around because I'm right-handed. And let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She's done it up so pretty. She did tell me she had wrapped it in some colorful felt. And that is such a great idea. I told her I was going to have to steal that idea. That is such a cute cutout. It's got the little camper. Oh my goodness. You did such a good job in that little piece inside the window. Looks like it's curtains. That's so cute. How adorable is that? Let's see. So let's see here. Let me move my little weapon. I'm going to make her that into a joke. Wow, she put a lot of fabric in here. Thank you for that. Oh, look at the little ducky. Oh, he's so cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me move. Well, I think that's a pretty background. And oh my goodness, that's what smells so good. Oh, it smells like cinnamon. She's made a little bag. It says Boo. And it's got a little tea bag or cinnamon tea bag. Oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. That is so cute. Thank you for that. She gifted me some of these. Oh, they're on wires. Excuse me. She has gifted me some of these foam flowers. And these are smaller than the other ones I think I've got. I think I've got some small ones, but just like one or two in different colors. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Make sure y'all not getting a glare. Yeah, I think you're getting a glare. Let me pull these out. That is awesome. And I did not know that they come on. I love the colors. On wires. So how neat is that? And of course y'all know I love these colors too. Those are gorgeous colors. I love those. Thank you. And then we've got her memory decks. She had made some gorgeous bows. Let's see. Can y'all see those? Or are those glaring too? Depends on the time of day. I think I'm going to have to pull these out too. I want to make sure I show the work that y'all do. Y'all take the time to do it. I know some of my videos get a little long, but I'll try to shorten them down occasionally. But I just want to make sure that the work that y'all do gets seen. I love that little plaid. That is so cute. You know, I love polka dots. And that's like a little denim. How awesome is that? That's cute. I don't know that I've seen any like that. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I think I just fell in love. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me. That is too cute. I don't know if I can use it. And then look, she's did the plaids and the reds, like a rusty red. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, sweetheart. I appreciate that so much. Little Tucky. Oh, he's so cute. And look at these. Oh, we're definitely pulling these out, but I don't know that I will. I don't know if I can use them. I don't know if I can share them. I might share one or two. I might have to hoard these. There's just some things that's like, oh no, oh no. And all these gorgeous. This reminds me a little bit. Well, hers is not the red and white. I was going to say Crystal's purse that she made me, but Hers is not red and white like that. Look, it says friend. That is so precious. Look at the little envelopes, and each one has a little, like a little letter in it. I don't know if the letters come out or not. No. And each one has a little letter, and that has the word love, hugs, sweet, little butterflies flying out and butterflies flying out. That's time consuming, man. Those are teeny tiny butterflies. That's so precious. Thank you, honey. Oh, that's just too cute. Okay. And I got a memory Dex. I love it. Oh my goodness. How awesome is that? Very good and sturdy. She's got it raised up with a little envelope right there. And it's dimensional. And then she's got this beautiful antique looking clock. And it says treasure memories with a little red banner. And then it's got all that, like the postcards and the personal telegram and the old fashioned, you know, papers. And then of course it's got the floral, which, you know, I love too. And then she's got a tag up here with cute little tassels. Wow, that's so dainty and so pretty. And then her tag's got the chandelier paper with the butterflies. That's gorgeous, Debra. That is so gorgeous. And then the back, keep that covered. And then the back has love across the back in huge red with the heart. And it's got another stamp from Hong Kong. 4 cents. Wow, don't I wish mail really was still 4 cents. Oh my gosh. That is just too cute. I love it. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so, so much. Okay, let's learn about Miss Debra. Her birthday is August the 26th. Her YouTube channel is Debra's Chillin Bags. Link will be listed below with her favorite colors are black, teal, dark purple, silver, and gold. Her style is anything. Her $5 item would, oh, that's clever. That's clever. That's clever. She said her $5 item, she would rather have 5 $1 items from the Dollar Tree. Oh, that is so cute. I love that idea. That is a cute answer. Thank you for that. And thank you for all this. And definitely this felt. And I can't wait to use it with the tips that you gave me. So I appreciate that. And I hope everybody's having a great day. I received 3 more packages, a total of 4 today. So I'm sorry, but I'm coming back to back. Y'all know how it is at the end. And like I said, I try not to bombard you, but I hope you watch. I hope you enjoy what you see and appreciate all these beautiful creations like I do. Y'all have blessed me beyond measure. I have completely run out of words. I don't know what else to say anymore other than just thank you again and again and again. Y'all have all made my birthday very special. Thank you all. I hope you've had a great week. We're hump day, so we got just a little bit more to go, and we're back at the weekend. So thank y'all so much, and I wish you the best always.